Hi everyone! Welcome back to our English learning videos.
Hello. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm Sophia and this is Lucas. How are you doing today?
Today we have something fun for you. We're talking about slang.
Yes, slang means informal words. Friends use slang when they talk together.
Native speakers use slang every day, so it's really important to learn.
Don't worry, we're going to speak slowly and clearly.
And we'll explain everything. Are you ready? Let's go.
So Lucas, imagine this situation. You're meeting your friend for coffee.
Oh, I love coffee. Okay, so I see my friend walking toward me.
What do you say? Do you say, "Hello, how are you?"
I can say that, but usually I say something different. I say, "Hey, what's up?"
Perfect. What's up? This is very common slang.
What's up means, how are you? Or what's happening?
Right. So when someone says, "What's up" to you, what do you answer?
You can say, not much, or nothing much.
Not much means nothing special is happening. Life is normal.
You can also say, hey, what's up? And your friend says, not much, you?
Exactly. Let me ask you now. What's up, Lucas?
Not much, just making this video with you. What's up with you?
Not much either. See? It's so natural and easy.
Friends, think about this question. When did someone last say, what's up to you?
Write your answer in the comments below. We love reading your comments.
Okay, next situation. My friend wants to make plans with me.
Good. So your friend is talking about the weekend.
My friend says, do you want to hang out this Saturday?
Hang out. This is important slang. What does hang out mean?
Hang out means spend time together, just relaxing, talking, having fun.
Yes, you're not doing anything special. You're just together.
For example, let's hang out at the park tomorrow.
Or, I'm hanging out with my sister this evening.
You can hang out at someone's house. You can hang out at a cafe.
So it's very flexible. You can use it in many situations.
Let's practice. Sophia, do you want to hang out after this video?
Sure, let's hang out and get some lunch.
Perfect. Now, friends, tell us, where do you like to hang out?
Do you hang out at coffee shops? At the park?
Write in the comments below.
Next one, Lucas. Imagine you see something really good.
Okay, like I see a beautiful car on the street.
What do you say? Do you say, "That car is beautiful"?
I can say that, but often I use slang. I say, that car is cool.
Yes, cool is super common. Everyone uses this word.
Cool means good, nice, interesting, or awesome.
You can use cool for many things. A cool movie, a cool song.
A cool person, cool shoes, cool weather.
And when someone tells you something, you can just say, "Cool."
For example, your friend says, I'm going to Paris next month.
You say, "Oh, cool. That's exciting."
Or someone says, I just got a new job.
You say, "Cool. Congratulations."
It's easy and natural. Native speakers say cool all the time.
Let me show you. Lucas, I'm learning to cook Italian food.
Oh, cool. What are you making?
See? So natural. Now, friends, what's something cool you did recently?
Maybe you watched a cool movie or visited a cool place.
Tell us in the comments. We want to know.
All right, next expression. Sometimes I feel very tired after work.
Me too. Work can be really tiring. So, what do you say?
I don't just say, I'm tired. I say, I'm beat.
I'm beat. This means I'm very tired. I'm exhausted.
Right. After a long day, you can say, wow, I'm beat.
Or, that workout was hard. I'm so beat.
You can also say, I'm wiped out. Same meaning.
I'm wiped out also means very, very tired.
For example, I ran 10 kilometers today. I'm completely wiped out.
Both expressions are very common. Native speakers use them a lot.
So remember, I'm beat and I'm wiped out.
When you feel tired after studying English, you can say, I'm beat.
Question for you, friends. What makes you feel beat? Exercise, studying, working? Let us know.
Now, let's talk about money. Sometimes things are very expensive.
Oh, yes. Like when I see the price of a phone or a computer,
What do you say when something costs too much money?
I say, that's a ripoff.
Exactly. A ripoff means something is too expensive. The price isn't fair.
For example, this coffee is $8? That's a ripoff.
Or the hotel cost $300 per night. What a ripoff.
When you say ripoff, you're saying the price is too high.
You're not happy about the price. You think it's unfair.
But sometimes things are cheap. The price is really good.
Then we say, that's a steal.
A steal means the price is very low. It's a great deal.
For example, I bought this jacket for only $20. It's a steal.
Or, these shoes were 50% off. What a steal!
So remember, rip-off equals too expensive, steal equals great price.
Friends, did you ever buy something that was a steal? Or did you buy something that was a ripoff? Share your story. Okay, last one. When you finish hanging out with your friend,
What do you say? Just goodbye?
you can say goodbye, but there are other natural expressions.
Yes, you can say, see you later.
Or just later, very casual and friendly.
Later is super common. Young people use it a lot.
You can also say, catch you later.
Catch you later means I'll see you again soon.
All of these are friendly and informal, perfect for friends.
So when you leave, you can say, okay, I gotta go. Later.
Gotta is slang too. Gotta means have got to or must.
I gotta go means I have to leave now.
For example, I gotta study for my test tomorrow.
Or I gotta call my mom. Talk to you later.
See how natural that sounds? That's how native speakers talk.
Wow, we learned so much today. Let's review quickly.
What's up means, how are you? Answer with, not much.
Hang out means spend time together with friends.
Cool means good, nice, or interesting. You can use it for anything.
I'm beat or I'm wiped out means I'm very tired.
Rip-off means too expensive. Steal means great price.
And later or catch you later are casual ways to say goodbye.
Remember, slang makes you sound more natural and fluent.
Don't be afraid to use these expressions. Practice them every day.
Use them with your friends when you're speaking English.
Now we have homework for you. Choose 2 expressions from today.
Practice using them this week. Write them in sentences.
Then come back and tell us in the comments which ones you used.
We read every comment. We love hearing from you.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like.
And don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos.
We make new videos every week to help you improve your English.
Thank you so much for watching today. You're doing amazing.
Keep practicing and learning. You're getting better every day.
All right, everyone. We gotta go now.
See what he did there? He used slang.
Catch you later.
Later, everyone. Bye.